In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set weekly auto buys on Coinbase. If you want to build a position in crypto over time without thinking about it every week, auto buys are a simple way to do it through consistent, scheduled purchases. Start by opening the Coinbase app on your phone or going to coinbase.com in your browser, then sign into your account. If it's your first time using Coinbase, you may see prompts to verify your identity or add a payment method, which is normal for security and compliance. Once you're on the home screen, tap or click the buy button at the top. This opens the purchase screen where you can choose what you want to buy. Pick the cryptocurrency you want, like Bitcoin or any other asset available in your region. Take a moment to be sure you're selecting the right asset for your plan. Before we go further, a quick note. I've placed the official Coinbase app download link and the website link right at the top of the description, so you can install the app or open the site directly from there. Now, enter the amount you want to invest. You can type a small test amount, such as 0.02, just to see how it looks. The exact minimums and currency will depend on your location. Remember, this amount will be your weekly purchase, so choose something that fits your budget. Under Pay With, select how you'd like to fund the purchase: bank account, card, or even crypto if supported in your region. Fees and processing times can vary by method, so pick what works best for you. On the same buy screen, look for the option called Invest Weekly and toggle that switch on. This tells Coinbase to repeat this purchase automatically every week. You'll see the schedule indicated on screen once it's enabled. Before finalizing, review your order carefully. Double-check the crypto you selected, the weekly amount, and your payment method. This is also a good moment to glance at the estimated fees. Keep in mind, the actual price you pay each week will be based on the market rate at the time that week's order executes. When everything looks right, tap Buy Now or Confirm. That's it, your weekly auto buy is set. Coinbase will run it automatically each week based on the details you just approved. If you ever need to manage or cancel it, go to Assets, then Recurring Buys. From there, you can edit the amount, change the payment method, pause, or cancel altogether. Any changes typically apply to future scheduled purchases. Invest thoughtfully and only what you can afford. Thanks for watching.